global crisis. First of all, I would like to thank Anna for organizing such event where basically the people from India, US, and Canada are getting together, meeting virtually if not physically, and this is allowing us to interact and to share our thoughts. And I saw, I mean, I joined since 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and I saw many kids has performed, and I mean, absolutely brilliant. The guys have performed overall in their performance. Unfortunately, for my video, I was not able to record any video due to some constraint on the karaoke. But hopefully, whenever we have any other event, hopefully I get a chance to sing live.
Definitely,
Definitely.
definitely.
Sure, you'll
Thanks.
definitely
Thanks,
get that
guys.
opportunity. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, we have Ravi Shinde to talk about the kids participants. The previous video we saw. Jai Bhim, Dada.
Jay Bhim, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for playing the video. This was some video that we made. Anna family has grown substantially in the West Coast. We have many families in Phoenix as well as in California. So we do every year Jayanti celebrations here, apart from the May celebration, obviously, which everybody participates. So this is one small tribute that we had created for Ambedkar Jayanti, and I'm glad that you have liked it. I'm really enjoying this program, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the day as well as tomorrow. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much for joining and for the awesome video of our kids. Next activity we have by Sheena Nanavre. She would be delivering a speech on the topic Importance of the Month May in Buddhism. Sheena is a student from Edmonton, Canada, and she wants to pursue a career in neuroscience and work overseas, not just to help other people, but add to the name of the Ambedkarite community. So let's hear from Sheena.
Okay. Jai Bhim and Namo Buddhaya, everyone. I want to wish you all a happy Dr. Ambedkar and Buddha Jayanti. In this incredibly brief timeline, I would like to cover the significance of the month May in Buddhism. On May 1st, before Common Era, 563, Vaisakhi Purnima, Buddha's actual name was Siddhartha Gautama, also known as Gautam Buddha. He was born to King Shuddhodhan and Queen Mahamaya in Lumbini, Nepal. The following day, May 2nd, before Common Era, 547 BC, or BC before Common Era, Gautam Buddha at the age of 16 was married to Yashodhara in Kapilavastu, Nepal. On May 3rd, before Common Era, Gautam Buddha at the age of 35 had achieved the enlightenment, meaning he became a Buddha under the Bodhi tree of Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India. On May 4th, before Common Era, 843, this day is considered Mahaparinirvana Day, as Gautam Buddha had passed away in Kushnar in Uttar Pradesh, India. He was 80 years old at the time of his passing. Gautam Buddha devoted his life to preaching Buddhism, to promoting fraternity, equality, and peace. In order for his followers, as well as himself, to lead a peaceful, happy life, he introduced the triple gems, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, the Four Noble Truths, Dukkha, the truth of suffering, Samudaya, the cause of suffering, Nirodha, the cessation of suffering, and Magga, applying the Eightfold Path to cease your own suffering. The Eightfold Path is composed of the right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right effort, right livelihood, right concentration, and right mindfulness. Buddhism is based on scientific facts accumulated over the passage of time and eliminates myths and blind faiths such as reincarnation, having a soul, the existence of God, and a predetermined destiny. Buddhism is considered by many as a way of life. Its philosophy is bedded in the only religion in the world that points out inevitable suffering and how to end it using the Four Noble Truths whilst walking the Eightfold Path. This practicality is the reason Buddhism is spreading worldwide. This fortunate happening leaves us indebted to Dr. Ambedkar, who has given Buddhism to us. Thank you and Namo Buddhaya. I wrote an essay, and I hope that I wrote an essay covering the origin as well as the importance of Buddhism, and I hope that sometime soon I will be able to share. I also like to draw, so sooner or later I'll release like a couple of really detailed pieces for all of you to see, because I want to give back to this community. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sheena, for Thank you, Sheena, for sharing this useful information about Buddhism. And yes, we have your entry for the essay too. And it was a very detailed essay. Thank you so much. And let's continue with our program. And our next performance is a Povada. So Povada are a kind of ballad written in an existing style and narrate historical events in an inspiring way. So this Povada would be presented by Chatak Dhakne. Chatak Dhakne is a volunteer and member of ANA. He currently resides in Metro Detroit, Michigan with his wife and 2 kids. He's a veteran product engineer, automotive parts supplier of GM. So please welcome Chatak Dhakne for his performance.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, Jai Bhim all. My name is Chatak Dhakne. I'm from Michigan. Happy Jayanti and Buddha Purnima to all. I will be singing, or rather reciting a song, not Povada. It's a song of Shantanu Kamble. Yesterday was the birth anniversary of Shantanu Kamble, and Shantanu Kamble was a fierce Shahir, a Vidrohi Shahir of Ambedkar Phule Vidrohi Shahiri tradition. And his song Atyachar Rokha Jatiwad Padwa, that's the song I will be singing. It's the song of the movement. As Sambhaji Bhagat say, we are not the entertainer, we sing thoughts. So this is the song of movement. Are Atyachar Rokha Chala Jatiwadi Padwa, Atyachar Rokha Chala Jatiwadi Padwa. शाहीर शंतनू कांबळे म्हणतात, अत्याचार रोखा चला जातीवादी पडवा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, गावोगावी कळवा. अरे अत्याचार रोखा चला जातीवादी पडवा, अत्याचार रोखा चला जातीवादी पडवा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, गावोगावी कळवा. Shantanu, he came from a depressed section of the society. He experienced casteism and he got burnt by casteism. He says, अहो गावाचा हा कोंडवाडा सुटलाच नाही, अहो गावाचा हा कोंडवाडा सुटलाच नाही, जातीपायी जगन आले जातीच्या या पायी, अहो पशुवानी जगन आले जातीच्या या पायी, गावामध्ये एक गाव गावातच नाही, अहो गावामध्ये एक गाव गावातच नाही, पशुसाठी पशु दया आम्हासाठी नाही, अहो जातीचे हे जहरी साप फना त्याचा तुडवा, अहो जातीचे हे जहरी साप फना त्याचा तुडवा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, गावोगावी कळवा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, गावोगावी कळवा. Shantanu uses the analogy of wrestling in his song. He says, पहलवान जेव्हा आखाड्यात उतरतो तो चितपट करायचाच उद्देशाने उतरतो. चळवळीचा लढाया ह्या जिंकण्याच्याच उद्देशाने लढला पाहिजे. उद्देश जिंकण्याचा स्पष्ट असला पाहिजे. अहो चितपट करा आता जातीवादी लोडवा, अहो चितपट करा आता जातीवादी लोडवा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, गावोगावी गावोगावी कडवा, ह्यो सांगावा भीमाचा, गावोगावी गावोगावी कडवा. जय भीम ऑल. थँक्यू.
Thank you so much, Chatak Dada. That was truly inspiring. Let's move ahead, and our next performance is by Rohit Meshram from Michigan. So do we have Rohit here?
Yes, Jai Bhim, everyone. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
We cannot see you.
Yeah. It's better.
Can you see me?
Yeah, we can.
Oh boy.
We can
Okay.
see you.
Okay. All right. So this is going to be a karaoke song. So just bear with me if there's any delay in the song. So here we go. न भाला न बरशी न घाव पाहिजे, न भाला न बरशी न घाव पाहिजे, पण तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे, तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे. नव्या भाग्यताचे स्वप्न ते असू दे, तुझी भीमशक्ती जगाला दिसू दे. पुण्या गावकीचा दुवा साजला रे, आहे भीमयुगाचा नवा दाखला रे. न पाटील न वाडा न गाव पाहिजे, न पाटील न वाडा न गाव पाहिजे, पण तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे. असे काही कवैरी अचंबित केले, रूढीच्या या जानकीला तूच चीत केले. चाललो आम्ही पण शिखर वैभवाला, गरज आज नाही कोणाची आम्हाला. न मंत्री श्रीमंती न हाव पाहिजे, न मंत्री श्रीमंती न हाव पाहिजे, पण तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे. तुझा तुझ पावा नवा वारसा तू, स्वतःला स्वतः घडव माणसा तू. नको मेजवाणी अशी दुर्जनाची, भाकरी ती खाऊ आम्ही इमानाची. ना रोटी ना मस्का ना पाव पाहिजे, ना रोटी ना मस्का ना पाव पाहिजे, पण तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे. उसळत्या लाटा तुझ्या तीरावरती, आम्हाला मिळाली अशी ज्ञान भरती. सोडला आम्ही तो वाळवंट सारा, भीमाने दिला हा सुखाचा किनारा. ना दर्या ना सागर ना नाव पाहिजे, ना दर्या ना सागर ना नाव पाहिजे, पण तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे. ना भाला ना बरशी ना गाव पाहिजे, ना भाला ना बरशी ना गाव पाहिजे, पण तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे. अरे तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे, आता तुझ्या रक्तामधला भीमराव पाहिजे.
That was a lovely performance, Rohit. Thank you so much.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jyoti, just want to say the Rameshji Mishramji is also online
Okay.
from India. His
Mhm.
parents are online.
Okay. Okay.
They want to say anything.
Jai Bhim, Ramesh ji.
Parents.
Would you like to say something? You should be on-
Sir, unmute करा सर तुम्ही.
Unmute.
सर अनम्यूट करा सर.
केला आता बोला
बोला.
हा आना प्लॅटफॉर्म वरती जो अपॉर्च्युनिटी माझ्या मुलांना तुम्ही प्रदान केली त्याबद्दल मी सगळ्यांचा आभारी आहे. धन्यवाद. जय भीम. नमो बुद्धाय.
Jai Bhim, Jai Bhim. Thank you for joining. Okay. Let's move ahead, and our next performer is Samyak Shikre. He will perform a melody of songs he learned at school on violin. He's from Canada, so we have a video clip of him. Let's play it. No, sorry.
I'm going to play.
Sorry, he's going to perform.
Yeah. Hi, Jai Bhim everyone. Namo Buddhaya. Yeah. Can you all hear us?
Yes.
Okay. Jai Bhim and Namo Buddhaya. And wish you all a happy Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Gautam Buddha Jayanti. Go ahead and share my screen. Sir? Kilo na? Sharing alega?
Yes. Now we can hear you. We can see you.
How do I stop? Can you do that? How do you do that? Okay, एक मिनट ये optimize video clip. What is it?
Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya. I'm going to be playing a medley of 3 songs. The songs are Harry Potter, Dragon Hunter, and Pirates of the Caribbean.
Sorry to disturb, we are not able to see the video, sorry.
Sorry,
yeah. Do one thing, you just start your video and while sharing, select the video part, like the box that shows your video.
Yeah, but you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
it should be okay now.
Yep,
Well
that
done.
was so well played. And there's really a lot of talent in our Rana family. Very well played.
Thank you.
Thank you. And let's move ahead with our next performance. That is by Takshak Chahande. He would be performing a Bhim Geet. He's from California, and he is currently Ambedkar International Center. He's also an active member of SSD. So let's welcome Takshak Chahande. We can't hear you.
I can't hear you, Takshak.
Yeah.
Takshak, you are on mute.
Yeah, please unmute yourself.
No, he's
He's
not
not
on mute.
muted.
Yes, he's on mute already.
Might your headphones might
Uh,
be.
yes, he's on mute.
I think.
Try direct. Remove the headphone, try direct. To take out the plug. No.
No, no.
If you are able to hear us, we have the backup video. If you want us to play that,
Well, please go ahead and do that then. I think.
or we can go to the next performance and you try to figure it out. Okay, we will go to the next performance. Maybe, right?
Yeah, we are not able to hear you. We'll go to the next performance and come back till it gets fixed. Yeah. Okay. So our next performance is by Harshal Meshram and Smruti Wagmare. They are from Toronto, Canada. Smruti is a project manager and Harshal a marketing professional. Let's see their performance.
Oh, yeah. You have to go get it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshal, Mesham, and Smriti. Are they there? Would you like
Hi guys. Guys, hear us?
Yeah, we cannot see you, Arshal.
Okay.
Unshare it, Jyoti, then we can share see them.
Can you see us now?
Yes, we can see you now. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for watching that dance. We tried to scramble something in whatever time we had and whatever space we had. Sorry for the weird camera angles. That's all my fault. But there is something that I want to say on this platform is that this dance is all inspired by a flash mob which happened in Aurangabad for Ambedkar Jayanti celebration. There's a dance group called hold on, Versatile Strikers Dance Academy, and I want to give all credit of the dance steps to these. These are not my dance steps. I just want to say that it is very important for people to keep learning, and this dance steps I learned from kids. So this dance academy, this performance were done by small kids on the streets, and we picked it up from there. And then we forgot. And we forgot in middle. We did what we could. But yeah, it is really important to keep learning. Yeah, we will make mistakes like we did, but it's important not to stop and keep learning. And it is not important from whom you learn, and it is important for what you learn. And this is just a small example that I learned from these dance steps. I would want to talk to all the kids out there that they've done a really great job. They're really talented, and I'm really proud of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I just will borrow 1 minute. Thank you to all the organizers. Thank you for all the hosts. You guys are amazing. Keep that spirit. And thank you, Mahesh Dada. Thank you, Trupti Vaini. Thank you, Shashank Dada. All the members for giving us the opportunity. We are very new. And we are just enjoying each and every program of Ahana Group. Thank you so much. Jai Bhim all.
Thank you so much, Harshal and Smriti. We love your enthusiasm and would definitely like to see you next year live during our Ahana retreat.
Thank you, Shruti. We just hope that all of us laugh and laugh while we dance.
Sure. So let's continue, and would like to go back to Takshak. If it's fixed, we can have his performance.
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, you are right
Okay,
now.
perfect. So, Jai Bhim to everyone. Actually, I grew up with one song, and I was thinking that it will be a good idea to share with all of you. Most of the people are from Maharashtra, so they can understand Marathi. So I just thought to reiterate the song written by a great writer, Vaman Dada Kardak. So let me begin it. आम्ही तुझे संतान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान, आम्ही तुझे संतान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान, तुझा वारसा पुढे न्यावया करू जीवाचे रान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. विखुरलेला मानव सारा नु एके ठाई, विखुरलेला मानव सारा आणू एके ठाई, द्वेष दुनियन जातीयतेला आता थारा नाही. बोध करू हा भारत सारा, शुद्ध आणि शीलवान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान, आम्ही तुझे संतान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. तू भीमराया रोप लाविले जण सत्ता वृक्षाचे, सर्वांचे कल्याण साधने ध्येय तुझ्या धम्माचे. मोल जीवाचे देऊन रुजवू तत्व तुझे महान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान, आम्ही तुझे संतान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. शील संवर्धन करा सांगतो झेंडा पंचशिलेचा, प्रकाश उधळी नीळ नभातून चंद्र जसा पुनवेचा. मंगल काया दोन ध्वजातील आमचे आशा स्थान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान, आम्ही तुझे संतान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. जनहित साधन दुःख निवारण पत जीवन क्रांतीचा, धम्म तुझा अनमोल दिनाचा वाली या धरतीचा. धम्म लाट ही उसळत ठेवू सागर लाटे समान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. वामन कर्डक इथे म्हणतात, ह्या पक्षाचे आणि ह्या धम्माचे दार खुले सर्वांना, मिळेल इथे सहजीवन वामन सच्चा शीलवंतांना. अरे यावा पावन उजळा जीवन जगास करू आव्हान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. ह्याच आधारे भारत भूचे बदलू जीवन मान भीमा, आम्ही तुझे संतान. थँक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. जय भीम.